Setting up support workflows that scale with your business is a game changer, especially as you grow and deal with an increasing number of customer inquiries. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to build support workflows that not only keep up with your business, but help streamline everything for maximum efficiency. By the end, you'll have the steps to automate and scale your support processes so your team can focus on high-value tasks. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share a free trial for a tool I recommend that you can use to implement everything we talk about today. Let's start with the foundation. Define the key areas of your support system. What are the most common issues or questions your customers have? Identifying these will give you the focus you need to design your workflows effectively. You need to make sure you're automating responses for the most frequent inquiries, whether it's basic troubleshooting, billing questions, or product inquiries. Next, you'll want to choose software that allows for easy automation and organization. The software we'll be using today has great tools for setting up automated ticket routing and categorization, meaning that every incoming support ticket gets sent to the right team member without manual intervention. This keeps things organized and prevents overwhelming any single agent. And don't worry, if you want to follow along with this software, there's an exclusive free trial in the description below. Now, let's talk about automating responses. For basic queries, setting up predefined responses can save tons of time. Make sure your software lets you create these so customers get an instant reply, even if it's just to let them know their request is being processed. This helps you provide immediate value while reducing the load on your team. In addition, setting up a knowledge base is crucial. A solid knowledge base will allow your customers to find answers before reaching out to support. This takes pressure off your support team and empowers your customers to solve problems independently. Integrate your knowledge base with your workflow software so customers are guided to it during the support process. Another important piece of the puzzle is ticket escalation. For issues that can't be solved by your team quickly, make sure you have an automatic escalation process in place. This ensures that urgent matters are handled by higher level support without delay. It's important to design workflows that move complex issues forward while maintaining smooth progress for simpler ones. Now let's talk about reporting and analytics. As your support operations scale, you need to track performance. Make sure your software has built-in analytics to give you insight into your team's performance, customer satisfaction, and common bottlenecks. This data will help you continually optimize your workflows and improve your service. Finally, don't forget to keep your workflows flexible. As your business evolves, your workflows should evolve too. Regularly review your support system and update your processes based on feedback and new needs. Make sure your team is empowered to adapt quickly as your business grows. To recap, first, identify key customer issues. Then automate ticket routing and categorization. Set up predefined responses for common inquiries and implement a knowledge base. Use ticket escalation for urgent cases, track performance with analytics, and keep your workflows adaptable. Key takeaway: scaling your support workflows is all about automation, organization, and continuous improvement. Get these right, and your support team can handle growth without breaking a sweat. Before you go, remember to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we used in this tutorial. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching and happy scaling.